Welcome everyone to the channel. Today we will see how to draw Maid Jax from episode 5 of the Amazing Digital Circus. For this drawing, we will start by drawing the rounded shape of the face, but we don't join the lines since we will leave an empty space where we will draw the neck. For the eyes, we make 2 dots and draw both eyes looking in the same direction. For the eyebrows, we draw 2 curved lines, one lower than the other. For the neck, we draw 2 straight inclined lines. Now we will draw the ears. Very good, just missing this last detail on the cap. And we have finished making this drawing. If you wish, you can color it. Well, that's all for this tutorial. If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, please feel free to leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'd really appreciate it. See you in the next drawing.